Always the kickstand side. And you should always tell me when you're getting on. That way I'm holding onto the bike. It's okay. I knew you were. I could see you, but. Are you holding on? There you go. Okay, it's the first day of spring and I have little Ashton on the back. Huh? I can't hear you. With me. With me. He's asking which way to lean. He's been begging me for like a year to ride on the motorcycle. I'm talking to the camera. Talking to the camera. Talking to camera. He's trying to talk to me, but I can't hear him. I need headsets. I need headsets. I need a 360 camera. I need new shots. Stunner pedals! I know that guy, but he doesn't know who it is. Squeaker, squeaker, squeaker.
I think this camera over here died.
Oh yeah?
It's pointing at your helmet.
Can I try it on to see if it fits?
Yes.
After
Go
Carson,
ahead.
it's me.
I don't know how to put it on anyways. Will you be able to?
Yeah, Ashton knows how to. That means you need to learn how to, mister.
Are your ears wrinkled?
Nope. This is what I'm going to wear for my turn.
What?
This.
Okay, what about shoes?
My normal shoes. The red and pink ones.
Oh, okay. I didn't do that.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Is this recording?
Is this recording?
Is it?
Is it red?
Yeah.
Yep, it's recording. What?
Can you move your car so me and Lydia can play basketball?
No, not right now.
Go play
we only have so much time left before the sun goes down.
Can I move your car?
You cannot move the car.
Silly Ashton.
Tricks are for kids.
Okay, ready?
Nope.
Which side do you want me on?
Always the kickstand side, but not until I'm ready. Okay, now I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Yep. It's really annoying. My little buddy back here. Now we got Carson on the back. I love that he like grips super hard. Is anyone else wanting to ride?
Braxton.
How about Denver?
Out here.
He doesn't want to ride?
Has he ever ride?
Yeah, he has.
He doesn't want to ride? Denver doesn't want to ride on a motorcycle?
I feel like that was the shortest ride I've ever taken.
Well, it might have been.
Yeah.
Because everybody's wanting to ride.
Yeah, that's okay though. It was still awesome.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, do not get on until I say.
Okay.
Or you ask and I say it's okay. Okay? Because you'll tip over the motorcycle. And then we would have a problem. Okay, you will hold on to me. Your arms around my waist.
Yep.
And you don't really need to lean or anything, but I mean, if my body's tipping a little bit, you can tip with it, but it's not that big a deal.
Okay.
And if I'm talking to the camera probably. Unless I talk to you when we're stopped. Then I'll open my helmet and talk to you, but we're just gonna go around the block since it's your first time. I'll only go like in the neighborhoods a little bit. Okay? You can't put your foot down there. It'll burn you. Okay. Are you good? Okay.
Weird wearing no seatbelts.
First time on a motorcycle, a little dude, on his birthday. 10-year-old, 10th birthday, riding on a motorcycle. He's holding on tight. Sorry, son, when you look back and watch this video, that your first motorcycle ride was so squeaky. Yay! He's talking to me, but I can't hear him. Making sure he's not putting his foot on the wrong pedal. Yeah? Yeah. He's waving to everybody. For some reason it squeaks less when it's lowered. What? I'm talking to the camera. Okay. Oh yeah, he's holding on tight now. Nah.
Can I go now?
Yep. Sure can.
Lydia, at one point I thought I was gonna fall off, but
Why? Because you're going so fast?
Yeah. It was actually just happened. It was like going down that road past the blue house.
You think so?
How was it?
So fun.
So fun.
Okay, Lydia, put the jacket on.
One time I want to go to Jackson's house.
Oh, okay. I'll put the loop through. And then put the loop through only the other one. And then
What if we fall?
we won't fall. You don't need to worry about that. You just hold on to me. No matter what, hold on to me. And then you do what I do. Yep. It's alright. Just gotta cover you. Okay, you only get on a motorcycle when you ask for permission, and then I say, yes, you may get on, because I don't want you to tip it over. Put the kickstand up. Okay, now step right here, and then climb over, and then don't put your foot on the muffler, put it on this pedal. Okay? And then you hold on to me. Ready?
Yeah.
So now we have Lydia on the back. This is her first time riding a motorcycle in her entire life. She's 9, 8, 9, 8, something like that. You know, I know how old my kids are. She's pretty daredevilish though, so I'm not too worried about it. She's still back there. Can't see her, but she's back there. Okay, come off on this side. I have to hold on to the handlebars to keep the bike from tipping over. How was it?
Good.
Was it the best thing you've ever done in your whole life?
I thought I was gonna fall off twice.
You thought you were going to fall off. Why?
Because you swerved.
Because I swerved?
And you went super fast.
Nah, you won't fall off. If you stay holding on to Dad. Whee! Want to do it again sometime?
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't scared? Little bit. Little bit. You have to learn how to trust the person that's driving. Right? Yep. Your mom likes to go fast and turn.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You'll have to ask her. Say, Mom, do you like to go fast and turn? Every time I do something scary, I say, did that scare you? And she says, no. Nice hairdo. Okay, can you take that and set it
Can you?
on the recycling? Can I what?
Never mind.
Never mind. Okay, I gotta pull this inside. Key?